Hello crafty friends! It is time for one of my favorite videos of the month. I hope you'll stick around to see what my team members created in this month's SheetLoad showcase. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what my team has created using the latest SheetLoad of cards. Today, that is for December 2025. Make sure if you haven't yet downloaded this free printable, you check out the debut video. And if you want to see how I made my first set, make sure to check out the process video, both of which are linked in that description box below. This month's printable is 3 pages and it shows you how to make 6 A2 cards with just 3 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper and some cardstock. The sketch also features a sentiment piece that coordinates with Teresa's one and done sentiment die from Not Too Shabby. Make sure if you want one of these, if you weren't able to get it the first time around, that you check the description box below for a link and then sign up for the email so you'll be the first to know when these are back in stock. I do plan on in the future sharing other printables with channel members that have sentiments that fit this die. And speaking of channel members, don't forget, on page 3, I tell you about your bonuses for the month. And for subscribers, if you download this printable, you can have a little sampler here. If you're ever interested in learning more about channel membership, you can click on the join button below this video and find out all about the different levels and perks. Now, one heads up, if you do see that the glue stick level membership is $2.99, go ahead and hop off that iPhone or iPad and sign up on an Android device or a computer. Apple charges you between $1 and $3 each month that goes straight to them. And speaking of channel members, I have a few to recognize before we get to this month's showcase. I would like to give a great big shout out to the following members who recently joined and or upgraded to paper trimmer level membership. Thank you so very much to Cordelia Alderman and Karen C., Diane Mason and Kelly Radford, Melissa Miller and Flufflebun Crafts, Carrie Hooks and Lady Stamps, and Marilane Bonamy. Thanks again to my new and longtime members for your continued support. You help to keep me creating here on YouTube and the last 2 years of SheetLoad of cards free for all subscribers. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the cards that my team created this month. Up first in today's showcase is a set of cards that I created with the December 2025 SheetLoad and using the bonus digital papers I created for channel members. Since I had already sent these off for member mail, I didn't get a chance to show you earlier in the video, so I wanted to give you a little peek at them. Up next, and also featured in this month's thumbnail, is a set of Christmas cards made by Yvette of the Yvette Olea Creates channel. I love those bright papers for Christmas and the cute gingerbread men. Beck Ann of the Beck and Sam Crafting Fun channel also created a set of Christmas cards this month. I love how she has moved her sentiments around and added the ribbon bows. Letty of the Party Planner Paperie channel made a set of 6 Christmas cards with the December 2025 SheetLoad. I'm loving how she paired my digital papers with one of her digital images. Ashley, who shares over on the Mint Twist Cards YouTube channel, once again created a SheetLoad of SheetLoads, and her set features various occasions and some very cute pet papers. Lauren of the Lauren Taylor Made YouTube channel also went with a Christmas theme this month. I love how she has paired my digital papers with a stencil paper that she created herself and placed behind those big, bold Christmas baubles. I interrupt this showcase to tell you about a special series going on here on my channel, and that is Crafty Advent Live 2025. This is a daily live stream crafting series in honor of the holidays. I open and get crafty with lots of awesome advent calendars, and there will be prizes at the end. Make sure to join me. To see the videos, you can check out the playlist link in the description box below. And as a bonus, if you are collecting those secret words, I have one for you today, and that is showcase. Remember, these are secret words, so don't give it away anywhere in the comment section. This set of 6 holiday cards was made by Tracy from Not Afraid of Color. I love the non-traditional Christmas color palette and how she has dressed up each of her pandas for the holidays. Beth from the Bourbon Creek Crafts YouTube channel also used the December 2025 sheet load to make some Christmas cards. I am loving the bright bold papers and those adorable animals. And putting the Christ in her Christmas cards was Carmen from the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel. I am loving how she tore her angled pieces and the fun shape of her focal points. This next set of 6 Christmas cards was made by Chelsea of the Creative Chelsea YouTube channel. I'm loving the different patterns she put together and how she has moved her sentiment piece up and made it larger to fit her sentiment. And last but certainly not least is Toby of the Bitty Penny YouTube channel. I just love how she has used that big bold Santa to replace her focal rectangle, and make sure to check out her video to see how she turned the December 2025 sheet load into 5x7 cards. I know I say it each month, but wasn't that a fabulous showcase? I always love to see how my team makes the cards their own, gives it their own little special flair, and I'm pretty sure you do too. Make sure to check out any of the videos that you haven't yet seen and left some love in the comments by visiting this month's playlist, either as an end card here in a minute or linked in the description box below. I know that everybody would love for you to stop by and see what they created. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.